There is nothing like unboxing beautiful pastel colors after a long, dreary winter, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of a few items I got for our Easter tablescape, and I am so excited because this is actually the first year that I am doing an Easter tablescape. I've never done one before, so when I saw this garland that lit up and came with everything shown here with all of these light combinations, I was so excited to set it up and put it out. I actually ended up using it in a few different areas around my home. So if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe to get tons of ideas for spring and Easter and all of the holidays. If you're new here, I'm Ashley. I'm a stay-at-home mom and content creator, and I love to share everything I buy for our home, but I am truly a holiday girl at heart and really look forward to embracing each season that we're in. And whenever spring comes around, I am just ready for that refresh. I am ready just to feel alive again. And now having kids, it just makes it so fun to decorate. So I was so excited to grab a couple new items. This beautiful table runner is from a small company, and I love when companies send nice notes telling me about them. It just makes you feel more connected, and it's so personal and thoughtful. So 10 out of 10 for them. I am so excited to be working with Kakito and love this table runner. It comes in multiple colors, and it is so soft, you guys. And I was so impressed with how long it is. My table isn't quite, I think it's like about 6 feet long. So this table runner could easily go on a very long farmhouse or family style table. So I was so excited to put this out. And what I love is that this table runner is not just designated for Easter. I actually used it for St. Patrick's Day. You could use it all spring. You could use it all summer. It's even a perfect fall color. This light sagey green is just beautiful and so versatile. And look at how wide and long this is. So what I ended up doing is kind of shrinking it and making it a little bit thinner, but you could use this in so many ways. So if you are looking for affordable decor that you can use seasonally all throughout the year. So as I said earlier, make sure to subscribe if you're not already. That way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos where I'll be sharing all of the ways that I use this throughout the year on our tablescapes. I love finding seasonal decor that I can switch out and use all year long because I think it's so easy to feel like we need to consume and buy new things all the time. And that's just not the case. We can easily find things that we can use all throughout the year, and it does not have to be super expensive or break our wallet. So I'm excited that you're here, and I'm excited to give you some really affordable but beautiful ideas this spring, this summer, all throughout the year. So thank you for being here. I am proud to say that every item that I am using in this video, I was able to find and get for under $20. And all of these items are highly rated items with tons of reviews. So I was confident in purchasing these, and I am just so excited to use these and show you how I use these in a bunch of ways. This garland is absolutely beautiful. Just as is, not even lit up, it's beautiful. But when you light it up and the eggs light up and it's a little bit dim and dark, it is so pretty. I can't wait to show you how I used it in my entryway as well. So make sure to check out my other videos. I'm now taking these Easter stems that I got, which my daughter wasted no time. I set down the Easter eggs while I was fluffing the stems, and she pulled off a few of the foam eggs. So luckily, good to know, these are really easy to just stick back on. And I love that the stems come with little tiny wires so that you can easily intertwine and separate the stems as you want. And these stems are great because you can use them in so many different ways. You could use them for your flower arrangements. You could use them on your table. You could use them for different centerpieces. I just love finding things that I can use, like I said, in multiple ways. And these were literally, I think, I'm not going to say the exact price because I know they change, but under $10. And here is the final result. I am absolutely in love with how everything turned out. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.